Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you up to, eh?
I'm doing kapahaka, Kōkā. Is using the broom as his Taiaha.
Very creative of you, eh? Do you know who the atua, gods of haka, are?
Is it Tānerore?
That's right, U. It's Tānerore.
Kōkā, who is the atua, god of the Taiaha?
It's Tūmatauenga. He's the god of combat and of traditional weapons like Taiaha and patu.
Wow! I want to know how to use a Taiaha.
Whoa! Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Wow!
I hear you've been learning about Tūmatauenga. You should go see Pāpā Rākau. He'll know more about it.
Fantastic idea, Wow. Let's go.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
How can I help you today?
Do you know about using a Taiaha, Pāpā Rākau?
Āna e, a taiaha is a weapon, a gift of Tūmatauenga. They're made from trees, just like me. It has an upoko, head, a double-sided arero, tongue. It has mata, eyes that see in every direction, and a long shaft.
I love the Taiaha.
You should learn waewae nuku, foot movements first if you're going to do mau rākau.
Kia ora, Ma.
Tō waitia taku kupu Ngāti Tākaro, waewae nuku.
Waewae nuku.
Karawhiua.
Heights, heights, heights. Ha!
Great work, team. Let's take a look at our friends, the experts in waewae nuku. Ka pai tamama. Koutou hoki, kōtiro mā. Ka mau ke te wehi.
And they have a strong stance. That's the goal.
If you work on it, you'll become an expert too.
Thank you, Pāpā Rākau.
Kōkā wants to take you to his wānanga. Semana.
Thank you, Moa.
It will be a great experience for you all.
Kia karaki a tātou. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e hui e taiki e.
Ka pai.
Kei te tino hīkaka hau.
Reko! We've made it to the wānanga.
Yay! Wow! So many of our friends are here. Look at what they're doing. Oh!
They're really good at what they do, eh? One day, you'll all get to that level. Let's start. Grab your Rākau, then line up. Because you love this stuff, would you like a Taiaha?
Oh, yes, please. I've been wanting to do Taiaha for a long time.
Kia rite mai. Get ready, Tākaro Tribe. Waewae nuku.
Waewae nuku.
Karawhiua. Begin.
Heights! 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 Ha!
Oh, you're amazing, Tākaro Tribe.
You look so strong, eh? Oh, tēnā koutou, especially you, Moa. That was so much fun.
It was my pleasure.
Let's celebrate with a song.
Reko!
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
A little birdie told me you learnt a new word.
Yes, Kōkā. We learnt some things about the Taiaha.
Let's spell the word.
T-A-I-A-H-A. Taiaha.
Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā.
Hello, Hello again, Tākaro Tribe. It looks like you got all the mahi done today.
Absolutely!
Let's celebrate. Let's take a look at what you did today. You learnt about the god Tūmatoenga and his teachings. And Moa taught you waewae nuku. Moa took you to her maurākau wānanga. And E got to use a Taiaha. You also learnt how to write the word of the day. T-A-I-A-H-A. Taiaha. What a super day.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga. Takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia